Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a simple food banner in Photoshop, and these are the resources we are going to use. We have the foods here, everything is here, and also we have the background and the toolbar. So the first thing we are going to do is to open our Photoshop, then create a new document. So we click on create new from here, then we set the weight to 735 and also the height to 490. Then it's going to be in pixels, and the orientation here is going to be in landscape. Then we click on create here. So we have our workspace created for us. Then now we are going to import our background. This is it. I'm going to click and drag into Photoshop here. Then I'm going to have something like this. Then I click on confirm here. So from here I'm going to pick the rectangle tool from here, then click on it. Then I'm going to create a rectangle here, but before you make sure you click on the stroke, you set it to none, and also the color here, we set the fill color to deep brown. Then click on the rectangle tool again. Then we are going to we leave something like this one. Then the same thing, we are going to make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl plus J on the keyboard. Then you can see I have my duplicate here. Then you drag it down here, or you can use the arrow keys on the keyboard. You press the down key to bring it down. You add shift to make it fast. So something like this in the middle. Then from here we are going to import our tuber here. Then click and drag into the workspace. Then we are going to have something like this. From here we are going to click on it. That's the rectangle, the copy of the rectangle. From here we select that one, then Ctrl plus T on the keyboard. Then you press shift on the keyboard, hold down the shift key on the keyboard, then click, then drag it down to make it small, a little bit small here, something like this. Then we confirm from here. Then now we bring it up small. So we select the text tool, then we click on it, we click on the rectangle here, then we change it to, we type Adomfie. And services. Then we select everything, Ctrl plus A, then we make it small. We confirm from here, then we select the move tool, bring it in the middle, Ctrl plus T, and make it big. Then we make a duplicate of the text, but before, let's double click on it and set it to black. It's okay. Then we make a duplicate, Ctrl plus J, then we change the color. No, we maintain the color and bring it down here. Then from here we see, we type order for we select everything, make it small and change it to bold, and bring it in the middle. Ctrl plus T on the keyboard and make it big. Then we make a duplicate of this one, the same text again. Then we change the color to deep brown, so you can click here to sample the color. Then I'll confirm from here and bring it down, something like this. Then we change it to, we double click on it, then we select, we make it black here to make it deep. Then select everything, change it to contact. Then we confirm from here. We pick our rectangle tool, then from here we come to this side here, the properties. Then we click to round the corner small. Then we decrease the size. Then we make a duplicate of the rectangle and we bring it down by pressing the arrow key on the keyboard down. Then from here, we are going to select the tool. So you click on the first rectangle, that's the rectangle tool here. Then shift, then you click the second one to select everything. You can see from the layer panel. Then you press Ctrl plus J on the keyboard to make a duplicate. Then the same thing again, duplicate. Another one again, Ctrl plus J. Then now we are going to select this and this, this and this also using the shift key. Then pull it to some here. Then the same thing to everything here. Shift, shift. Select everything. Then from here we are going to select the first one, the first rectangle. Then we go in for our food. We are going to decrease the size. Then we are going to right click on it. So this is the same process we are going to do for the rest of them. So I'll be speeding it up. So you click, you drag it into the design, scale it down, bring it here. Let's click on it. You select create clipping mask in the middle. Then the next one, you select the rectangle. Make sure you select the rectangle before you go for your image. So now we are done with the clipping, masking. So now we bring our tool on top here, the first layer. Okay. So afterwards, this is what we are going to do now. We are going to group everything here. But before you group everything here, let's make a duplicate of this one. Then Ctrl plus J here, the text, and change the color to black. Let's change the color to deep brown rather from here. Then we send it on top here. Bring it here. Then now we are going to click on it and change it to bakeries. In caps. So from here I can click on this one to make it in caps, that's capital letters. Then now we are going to pick our ellipse tool from here, then make a small ellipse here. So let's change the fill color to black here. Then shift, get something like this one. And now we bring it, and we bring this one up small using the arrow keys. Then we are going to make a duplicate of this one and this, Ctrl plus J, then shift, then with the arrow key, that's the right side, to move it to the other side here. Then now we change this one to footsteps. The same to make a duplicate. Change it on to services. Then from here, we are left with our contact icon from here. I bring it into my design here and change the color. I go to FX and we say click on color overlay and change the color to this one. Then Ctrl plus T to decrease the size and rotate it small. Then I am going to select all the rectangle from here, from the layers, the first one, then the last one. Ctrl plus G on the keyboard to group everything. So now everything is grouped. Then I'll click on FX here, then select stroke. Then you click on a stroke here and you have something like this one. Change the color to white. Then the size is going to be 4. Then the position outside, the blending mode normal, then opacity 100%. Then you click on OK.